Quadratic transformations. Now, the easiest way to deal with quadratic transformations is to graph and compare graphs and just visually look at it. However, if you can't, then there are some ways to fix it. So, a quadratic function looks like that in vertex form. So when we talk about transformations, they almost always come in vertex form. So here's the things you need to remember. If A is positive, my graph faces upwards, like a U. If A is negative, my graph flips down. Usually it reflects over the x-axis. If there's no shift up or down. Now, when A is 1, I have the standard quadratic graph. When A is greater than 1, my graph gets narrower. When A is less than 1, my graph gets wider. The next easiest one to look at is the C. When C is positive, my graph shifts up. When C is negative, it shifts down. So for example, that's x squared plus 1 that's x squared minus 1. So it's a simple shift up and shift down. If it's plus, it shifts up. If it's minus, it shifts down. Now B is a little trickier because there's a minus sign built in. So you almost need to think of B as backwards. So if you see x minus 3 squared, that's going to shift right 3. If you saw x plus 3 squared, that would shift left 3. So if it's inside the parentheses, it's backwards than what you expect. Negative will be right, positive will be left. Those are the key things, the key concepts to quadratic transformations.